In this short tutorial, we'll walk through the different ways you can export your session plans from SessionLab and customize them to fit your needs. To get started, just open your session and click the export button at the top. You'll see 4 main export options: export to PDF, export to Word, to PowerPoint, and a copy to Clipboard option. Let's begin with the PDF export, and this is perfect when you need a fixed layout you can print or share with others. You can choose the Agenda and Details view, which will look similar to the view you already have in the planner. You can choose some custom settings for your export, such as whether to include color-coded categories or notes, as well as whether you'd like to export the standard planner view, where you'll see the description and additional information fields, or instead export showing the columns which you currently have visible in the planner. The Day Overview option will give you a stripped back view of your agenda without all the details behind each block, and if you have multiple days in your session, then you can show these on the multi-day overview. The Details option will show all the instructions, goals and materials for each block next to each other. Before exporting to PDF, you can also preview your document to see exactly where the page breaks will fall, and this will help make sure that your printout looks clean and organized. Next up is the Word export. Exporting to Word will give you a fully editable document that's great for making final changes or formatting things your own way. You can again decide which content to include, the notes in your agenda, the materials and all the session details, as well as which day, if not all, to export. And as with the PDF option, choose to export the standard view of the description and additional information fields, or exactly the column layout you have in the planner. Now let's look at exporting to PowerPoint. There are 2 ways to do it. The first option groups the content by day, showing a summary of each day on a separate slide. The second option gives you greater control over what's shown in the slide's speaker notes, so the description will be visible here and you can control which information is added to the speaker notes below. Finally, there's the Copy to Clipboard option. This is a great option when you just want to paste your session's block titles and timings into another tool such as Excel, Google Sheets, a Miro board, or even a calendar invite. And your content will stay structured and clean with the time and header of the description field visible. And that's it. Whether you're preparing a handout, a presentation, or just sharing details with your team, SessionLab's export tools help you do it quickly and easily. Happy planning!